Hi, welcome to my channel. This is BB. We're gonna talk about today topic Windows patching. So, Microsoft Windows patching troubleshooting. It is major important concern who are using the Windows OS. So, it is very important to do install the updates on every Windows machines because it fixes the vulnerabilities, bugs, and also give the better service improvement for the Windows operating system. If you forget to do that, definitely your system will face some vulnerabilities, and also you will experience like slowness on the Microsoft Windows OS. It may be a, server OS and maybe a client OS, but main motto is we should install all the needed security patches on the Windows system. So what are the trouble if you can't able to install the patching means what are the troubleshooting we should perform on the machines. So these are the basic troubleshooting. We also having the advanced level troubleshooting, but in this video we should learn, at least we should know what is the what we have to do, or what we have to do when patching not happen in the machines. So I give you before going into the troubleshooting, we should know what is Patch Tuesday. So as your administrator or as your Windows user, you should know what is Patch Tuesday. So now Tuesday nothing but every month, second Tuesday, Microsoft release security updates for the Microsoft products. It may be a OS, I mean client OS like Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, and it may be a Windows server like Windows 2012, 2002, 2016, 2019, and 2022. So every month, second Tuesday, they release the patches for respective OS. It may be a security update, it may be a cumulative update, or it may be a update for the .NET framework, Office 365. Everything will release on the patch Tuesday. So and next one is out of band patch. This is called except like Microsoft releasing the patches on every Tuesday, every second Tuesday. But apart from that, except Tuesday, if Microsoft release any critical patches on the same month, means it called as a out of band patch. So out of band patch nothing but it is a released on uh, uh, except Tuesday, that second Tuesday. And these are the basic troubleshooting steps we should perform on the Microsoft Vision. As your administrator, Windows administrator, you should know these 13 step to perform on Windows machines. And also not only for the administrator, if you are Windows user, you should update every month, then only your system will uh, work as a safe environment, work in the safe environment. Okay, first step, use Microsoft Troubleshooter. Where we can find this Microsoft Troubleshooter? Don't worry, I will show you. You just open the settings, Windows I shortcut. I'm using shortcut. Here systems. Here you can find troubleshoot options. I am using the Windows 11 OS. So as per the OS versions, this settings ray on different options. So I'm this Windows as per this Windows 11 machine. I'm going to system and find the troubleshoot settings. Or else you want to find, you can search here for the troubleshoot option. This is the first step if you are facing any issues on installing the security updates. So I'm gonna click on troubleshoot and then go to other troubleshooters. Here Windows update. See, you just click on run in this Windows update. It will detect the problems and automatically fix the problems, and then you can install your patch. This is the first step. Before that, when we installing that, you should keep in mind like you should connect with the internet for the um, uh, patching. So if you are a home user, or if you are internet you are connected with internet, or you are using the home your own personal laptop means you can connect with the internet and just click on check for updates in the settings, and you can install it automatically start install on the your machine. So before doing this troubleshooting, you just go to Windows Update, and you can click on this check for updates. It automatically check the updates and will this will automatically install in your system if it is internet enabled on your infra. So so this is the first step. After doing this check for updates, if in check for updates not installed or any error through means, you can go to system and find the troubleshoot settings, and you can go to other troubleshooters, and you can troubleshoot your Windows Update. This is the first stepping. So next step, if any restart pending means restart the system first. So restart is very critical action we should perform on the Windows machines while doing the patching. So after patch restart only, if maybe any concern on the system, it will start installing the patches, and also it will fix the patch related issues. So for that, see here, I'm gonna Windows Update, going to Windows Update, and here I'm clicking checking the check for updates. While still it is checking my updates, and also in find I'm going to my troubleshoot options. Here no, I run the troubleshooter, but I am getting here no, like I am running the troubleshooter. It's detect the problems, and throwing some actions needed means it will notify us to do that action. So see here, run the diagnostics. Wait, we will complete this diagnostic. See my troubleshoot automated troubleshoot completed, and it will says like you have to restart the computer and then try running Windows Update again. So like this, you will get a result from the troubleshooter. So according to the your result, you can perform on the action. So second step also completed. So if any restart pending means we should restart the system. And third option is check the update for the past status. So we can find in the settings. I'm going to uh, Windows Update in settings window, and here no, there is past update. If your settings like in past updates, you will uh, if in your system you will choose any pass update for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks means it may update on after this pass week only, pass for the week only. So I'm gonna here no, I already by default the pass update should be in 1 week. So if any updates bending means like it will update on next week. So the so if you are in your system, you can find here no, none or something, you have to select option that should you should that option you will choose means okay, you will definitely in your system it will start install, yeah, that time itself. So and next settings, next step, check the C drive space. So the drive space very very important concern for the Windows patching, because no, like if any space available in C drive means, then only the updates are download from the Microsoft update server in the internet, from the internet, and then install on the system. It will start install on the system. So you should always aware this C drive space. Like minimum we required at least 10 GBs free space in the C drive. Then only the patching will happen very smooth and fast. So you just keep in mind this drive space also. And fifth step, check the mandatory service. These are the important factor for the patching, because no, the service all backbone of the every actions we done in the system. So I tell you what are the mandatory services for patching, so you can identify or you can troubleshoot on the service and you can fix the issues. So I'm going to services.msc console, Microsoft console. So here first service you should know, you should check the status for patching bit service, which means background intelligent transfer service. This service act like a, postman. So this is very very important service for the patching. So it always run and automatic state. So see here in my system, it is in manual state. Maybe it is running. So if not running means okay, I'm just right clicking and start the service. So this should be this service should be available in your system, then only patching will happen in your system. And then next service, Windows update service. This is also important service for the patching. So this is also by default you should monitor the service in running state as well as in the automatic startup type. And next service, Windows installer service. This is also you should always keep in your system, like manual, without manual, like startup type as a automatic, and also it should be in running state. And one more important service for patching, this is a backbone for patching, because no, this is the service will provide to the server and get the update from the server. Because no, this will collect inventory from the local systems, like hardware inventory and software inventory, and then processing this inventory and get the update from the system. So this service, WMI service, we call it as Windows Management Windows Management Instrument Performance Adapter. This service, no, it should be always run state as well as automatic state. Then only perform patching will perform without any issues. So these are the mandatory service you should know. If it is like SCCM or MECM enabled in your infra means, you should also check with that SMS agent service. So this is my personal computer. I'm not enabled in my system. SCCM enabled, not enabled in on my system. So that's why I didn't find that SMS agent service. So these are the mandatory service for the patching. So these four service you always keep in mind, or doing the I mean checking the status for the patching. And next step, this restart the mandatory service. Same like if service not running means, or a disabled state means, you should change the status to the startup type, and also you should run the service. So, and seventh step, delete the WMA repository folder. So this is one of the like advanced level troubleshooting, like advanced or intermediate level troubleshooting. So you should delete the repository folder in the system. So I'm gonna tell you where is the repository folder in your system. You can go to C drive, and then Windows, and then system32. This is the root directory. You can find the repository folder, and then WEM. Uh, Wait, I will take you to the WM folder. Mm, where it is? Where it is? Yeah, here. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, this is WBEM. So this folder, in this folder you can find this repository folder. This repository folder contains the all the inventories, like hardware and software inventories, from getting from the that WMA service. So you can go and check these are the inventories from the getting from the WMA service. You can delete this folder, and you can recollect the inventory and do the patching. So like if you are going to delete this repository folder, automatically it will throw some error. So what you have to do, like you can disable the WMA service, and then delete this folder. Obviously it will delete after disabling the service. So once you disabling the service, you can delete this folder and enable the after delete this folder, you can enable the service. And after enabling, you can run the service, restart the service. It automatically collect the new repository, I mean new inventory for the local system. And next troubleshooting step, check the meter connection. So these also this settings also important concern for the patching. So how can we find the uh, meter connections? It is very simple. You can say go same like go to Windows settings window, and go to Windows update. Here no advanced options. Here no, see we can find download updates over meter connections. If it is this option in on state means, definitely you will face some issues while installing the patches or while downloading the patches. So it should be always in off state. So you can find in your system it is on means you can just switch off these settings. And next step, now click on check for updates. After doing this first 7 or 8 settings or troubleshooting steps, you can now click the updates, check for the updates on the system in Windows Update, and you can find the patches are start installing or downloading in your system. So apart from that, if again the patch is not installing, or it throwing in some error means, next step you gonna you have to perform on your system, like download manually and install the required kp files. So I'm gonna tell you how to download the kp file, I mean security updates for the Windows means is very simple. If you are internet enabled in your system means, you just open the browser and you just type Microsoft, sorry, Microsoft catalog update, and it will take us to the Microsoft updates manager console. Here we find all the updates and kp files for the Windows machines. So this is the right link. You just click on this Microsoft update catalog link. So this is the window we are getting after opening this Microsoft update catalog. So here we can search the updates whatever we want. Like I'm gonna, this is my Windows 11 system. So I'm gonna search Windows security update. So here I will get all the required updates for the my Windows 11 system. So after searching, I'm getting the lot of results, like thousand results. Like in this results, we can always find latest update, like using the last date updated options column. Like here, no, this I'm taking this video in November month 2022. So here, no, this month I'm getting so many updates. So for my for in my system I'm running the Windows 11 OS. So I'm just looking for as per my requirement. So this is my system uh, dynamic cumulative update for Windows 11 and x64. My Windows architecture is x64 operating system. So I'm gonna download this update and install on the machines. So this one, uh, so we just click on this download button. It will automatically take us to the next window, and in that window we can download our security update. This is called a manual install method in your system. If not if from the internet patches not installing, or it may take more time to install on your machine means, you can simply download the kp files from this from this update catalog of the console, and you can download in your sorry, you can install in your system. So this is the manual method. So manual method is very easy and very fast to complete in your system. And next step, check the reporting event log. So this is the important log while we doing the patching. So we should know where the patches are downloading and where is the patches are uh, keep in the system while downloading from the internet. See here, no, this kp file already downloaded and installed. Now it is ask me to restart, so restart pending. So how, where we find this these files in your local system, uh, in the local system directory. So I'm gonna show you. We can have a one folder named software distribution folder. In this folder only we can find the downloads from the internet during the patching. So this is the directory, C drive, your C drive and Windows and software distribution folder. This is the directory you have to keep in mind, or you have to note it down. So in this directory we can find the downloaded kp files. See here, no, these are the downloaded file. We you should identify using this date modified. We just click the date modify, and we can find using this last date, I mean recent date, downloader file. So this is today I have one downloader file. This is the one updating install from the internet. And this is also one file last yesterday I can they installed on my system. So see, this is kp file 7383. So how can we check the installed updates in our system? It is very easy. What we have to do, you can go run and type application wizard.cpl. This is the command. So run application wizard cpl, and just click enter. If you not know these options means, you can use this app wizard and view install updates. Click on view install updates. You can see all the updates in your system, installed updates in your system. So this is the file yesterday installed in my system. Also this file, this kp file downloaded yesterday in my system from the internet. See, 383, and also installed in my this is the installed state, and this is the downloaded state in software distribution folder. Like this we can identify the kp files download from the internet in our local directory. And also one more window we can find the installed updates. Like go to command prompt, you can use the wmake qfe list. This is the command we can check in your system installed updates in your system. See here, they are same that 383 kp files installed in my system yesterday. And one more options we can find the installed updates. See, go to settings window and update window, windows update window. Here we can find update history. You can just open it, and you can get all the updates installed on your machines with the date. So these are the quality updates, driver updates, definition updates, and other updates. These updates every month happen. So driver updates, I'm not sure every month happen or not, but definition update happen in daily basis, and quality updates and the security updates, critical updates happen in the monthly basis. And what step we are see this one 11th step, no? So we have to check the reporting event. So status of the patch. So in software distribution folder we can find the reporting event, reporting events log. So this log we can check the status. I'm just opening this log, and we can check the kp files. If you want to check the recent date means, you can go down. So in down page only we can get the recent updates and installed status kp, I mean kp status. So here we can find agent deletion finished, agent down, download started, agent download succeed, agent installing started, agent installing succeed. So these are the package id and date and time. And also here, no, I'm just tracking to the right side. Here software content, all the types we can check. And the status of the kp file also we can check here. It is a success or failed. And also, like, here updates are detected, one update and two update, three update. So how many updates we are detected, and the status of the update. Like here we can get the downloaded and downloaded succeed, and installation started and installation successful. So like this we can get the report using this reporting event log. And also you can use event viewer to check the status while getting any error during the installation. So this is the one of the troubleshooting steps. And next one, delete the software distribution folder. If patching still not happen means, you can check the I mean delete the software distribution folder. Like you can, it will won't affect any affect make any issues on your system. You can delete, or else you can, if you if you feel not secure means, you can just rename it. You just right click and rename the this software update, software distribution folder. That that will not make any issues. So this is also one of the troubleshooting steps for the patching. And also like the last one, if SCCM enabled infra means you can check the health status of SCCM agent, I mean SCCM client agent, and you have to run the cycles in the SCCM agent, I mean configuration manager properties. These are the important basic troubleshooting for the patching, Windows patching. So Windows patching is a very critical and important factor when we using the Windows machines. So if we installed every month patches on your in your machine means definitely you work in a secure environment. So this will fix all your vulnerabilities and also detect your malware molecular software installed on your system. And if it is molecular software installed on your system, it automatically delete or I mean uninstall from your system. So these are the important uh, factor while we factor cover while we'll be installing the patching. So don't forget to install every month patches in your system, because it will give a safe environment to work in the internet. Thank you. I hope this video very informative for you, and I will come with the next other awesome troubleshooting video for you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.